MP Jong Katurasit usaling sangma ula ong bak jukmi bo unyo kom kani ka jing sha pan ko puram bat udap da ka jing sngo kemen ka bakrau haba uyo kom kani ka lat bat ula ai khublei kerpang ye kinong kit kam jong ka party ki bra treshi tom na ka benta jong u ya kani ula kren hadien balawai ka pen ko puram da ka party ka balalong hasuso tham auditorium ka balalong menta ka sngi ka hreu terik unai tung ula ong baka jingdan jong ha parliament kadai na benta ban ya sa ya ka jing jong ki pat ba jong ka jala pat ka north east hi barok away ula ong bakum balong menta kindang ya kren kumnu ban ya trailang kum ki MP jong ka jala na ka benta ka jing mentoy jong ka jala.
And the excitement, I was really happy that this felicitation program is being organized by the MPCC, especially Sir Pala has told everyone to go ahead with the organizing these felicitations. I never dreamed that we will have this big, felicitation program. I want to thank all the programmers, MPCC, Mahila, Youth, and all the President Secretary from all the district and the youths from all over the district also. And then it's very, very different from. I never thought that this kind of felicitation will happen. But I want to thank all the program organizers.
Well, first time in Parliament.
I don't see much of the difference, but since it's a bigger arena where we have to, spell out all the issues, problems in a better way, and then moreover, it's a bigger platform to spell out all the issues, not only for the Meghalaya, but for the Northeast and for the people who are already suffering within our country itself.
Well, Meghalaya has two, and how the coordination is going on.
Right now, we are trying to talk few things out, and then moreover, Sir Pala is guiding us how to go about, how not to go about, and then moreover, we had a dinner last time. Sir Pala has organized a dinner along with our BBP MP also. He was there along with Arden Basambaidakam. So we are trying to chat few things out. Let's see if there is any common issue regarding the Meghalaya. We will definitely take it. Not only Meghalaya, even for the whole Northeast as well.
What are your main?
Which one?
Which are the main?
We have got lots of main issues.
Well,
We've got education, we've got health, we've got border issues, we've got ILP, we've got, we've got this 8th schedule, Khasi Garu Jaintia, which they have to, absorb us into 8th schedule so that our people, our youths can, will not, we need not have to compromise in the future about the examinations, about any kind of competitive examination that will be held by the center.
With
No, it depends actually. Now, you see, issues pertaining to any citizens of India, they just cannot, they just cannot segregate the issues pertaining to any issues of the citizens of India. Now, for example, now they are silent on Manipur issues, right? Now, if they keep on silencing about the Manipur issues, now look at how the hue and cry is happening right now. Thousands and thousands of people are being displaced from their home in Manipur. They are silent on that. Okay, that day itself when all the MPs went to the floor of the house. I mean, on the floor of the under the well of the house. Then only people start. Then only Prime Minister starts speaking. So definitely for this issue, all the other Congress members, we will definitely talk with them, because right now I'm not alone, as already stated by our members. We are hundreds, because now we are 102. Okay, not only 100, we are now 102. So with that, we will have more number to deal with any cause for the city.
you are revamping the Congress.